Solve 2 plus x is equal to the root of 8 times x power half. This is Calvince online math. Let us jump right into the solution. So the first thing, you're going to write the root of 8 as an index using the laws of indices. Remember, according to the laws of indices, the root of a number a is the same as that number raised power half. So we can write our equation as 2 plus x is equal to 8 power half times x power half. So we can combine the right hand side of the equation using laws of indices again. So we have 2 plus x equals 8x all raised to power half. So we can get rid of this half by squaring both sides of this equation. So we have this side squared. We also have the whole of this side squared. So that what we're left with is 2 plus x squared is equal to 8x. So we can open up the left hand side of the equation using quadratic identities and see that a plus b squared is normally equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So that is what we're going to use to expand the left hand side of our equation. So let us do that. So we're going to have 2 squared, which is just 4, plus 2 times x, that is 4x, plus x squared is equal to 8x. So we can collect like terms here. So we have x squared plus 4x, then we take 8 to the left, so it is minus 8x, then plus 4 equals 0. So now we can simplify this as x squared minus 8, this is not 8 but 4x minus 8x is minus 4x, now plus 4 is equal to 0. So now this is a quadratic equation which you can use any method to solve. Let us use factorization method. So for us to use factorization method, we're looking for two numbers whose sum will be the same as b. b in our case is negative 4, and their product will be the same as a times c, that is 1 times 4, which is still 4. So you'll find that these two numbers are negative 2 and negative 2. Negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 4, and negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. So we split b, that is negative 4, into these two numbers. So we're going to have x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So the common factor between the first pair is x. So we have x into x minus 2. So we expect to have x minus 2 in the second pair, so that we have minus 2 outside the bracket. So now we just group them. We take the ones outside the bracket, that is x minus 2, and we take the one inside the bracket, that is x minus 2, and that's equal to 0. So it means that x minus 2 equals 0, so that x is equal to 2. So the solution is x equal to 2 twice. So now we can check if our solution is true. So remember what we had, it was 2 plus x. X in this case is 2. And then we want to see if that will be the same as root of 8 times x, which is 2 raised power half. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and we want to see if that is going to be equal to 8 power half times 2 power half. So that is 4, and let us see if this is going to be true. So we can combine these two as 8 times 2, then power half. So 4, we check if that will be equal to 8 times 2, that is 16, and it's raised to power half. So remember, as we said, that number raised to power half is the same as the root of that number. So 4 should be the same as the root of 16, which is 4. So these just mean that our solution is true. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and see you in the next video.